take pictures with Tablet Data Collector and automatically attach images to the current plot while entering assessments. In this video, we demonstrate the process for taking plot pictures and describe how the image files are handled. We begin in an ARM trial. Enter the tablet data entry mode in order to take pictures. These options configure the data entry session. For an in-depth look at these options, see our Enter Assessments with TDCx video. ARM does not directly take pictures within the software, but rather imports any pictures taken by the built-in camera app. Turn on the Automatically Launch Windows Camera App option to open the camera app when starting data entry mode, and then click Next. This dialog defines how images are handled while in data entry mode. Copy the image file to the trial folder to ensure that pictures taken are included when sending the trial either back to your main PC or to another researcher. ARM automatically renames the image file to describe what characteristics of the trial the image links to. This can include the treatment, assessment date, plot, and subsample, as well as the trial ID, which is always included. These components can be turned off and on, or rearranged within the naming structure. Note that the preview of the file name updates when the options are adjusted. It is best to set these options just once, the first time taking pictures. This way, all images taken throughout the season follow the same naming structure, so they can be sorted easily. If you must change the naming structure, then reopen previous trials that use the old naming options. ARM can then update the names of the older images to match the new naming structure. You can also attach multiple images per plot in a single assessment column. Click Finish to open data entry mode. ARM remembers the screen configuration the last time data entry mode was used and restores the window accordingly. To split the screen so both ARM and the camera app are visible at the same time, select Window, Dock, Right. This places the ARM window on the right side of the screen, squeezing the camera app to the remaining portion on the left. Now enter the assessment value and press the camera button within the camera app to take a picture. The image was automatically renamed and linked to the current plot. Then ARM advanced the cursor to the next plot, since an assessment value was already entered in the cell. You can review the image by going back to the plot and expanding the thumbnail. If the picture did not turn out, remove the image and take another one. Smaller tablets, around the 7-inch screen size, are typically designed for one-handed portrait orientation. These tablets ease the fatigue of all-day usage, but do put screen size at a premium. Select Window, Dock, Top to dock ARM to the top portion of the screen, with the camera app filling the bottom. So where are the pictures stored once taken in data entry mode? The initial image file is generated by the Windows Camera app and saved into the Pictures Camera Roll folder. ARM then copies this file, saves the file to the folder where the trial is stored on the tablet, and then renames the file according to the image options set earlier. Finally, ARM attaches the picture to the current plot, creating a link in the trial file to this image file. Note that the images are not actually saved within the trial itself, but remain as separate files in the same folder. This is why File Send To is the recommended way to send ARM files, because it automatically includes all attachments and images when sending.